Hey friends, welcome back to Math Defined. Today we're exploring how to find the perimeters of composite figures that are made up of two or more simple shapes. It may seem tricky at first, but don't worry, we'll take it one step at a time and you'll see how simple it really is. Let's start with this figure. What is its perimeter? Remember, the perimeter is the total distance around the outside of the figure. To find it, we'll add up the lengths of all the outside edges. This shape looks pretty straightforward, but we are missing a couple side lengths for the bottom rectangle. We'll need to find these first. Let's look at this side. This shape is a rectangle, so we know that opposite sides are congruent. So the length of this side is 7 meters. Now for the bottom edge. To find its length, we need to look at the top edge. Be careful here. At first glance, it looks like the top edge of the rectangle is 11 meters, but it's not. It's only part of the top edge. We need to find the total length. To do that, we need to find the length of this part here. Looking up at the top edge of the square, it's 5 meters. So that means this bottom edge is also 5 meters. To find the total length of the bottom edge of the rectangle, we'll need to add that 5 meters to the 11 meters to get 16 meters. Now that we have the lengths for all of this figure's sides, we can find its perimeter by adding them together. Let's start at the top and trace the figure clockwise. 5 plus 5 plus 11 plus 7 plus 16 plus 7 plus 5. Adding these sides together gives us a perimeter of 56 meters. Now this figure looks a little more complicated. How do we find its perimeter? The two shapes that make this figure are a triangle and a semicircle. The semicircle creates this curved edge, or arc. The other two sides have straight edges. We'll need to find the length of the arc for the semicircle first. The formula to find the circumference, or perimeter, of a full circle is pi times diameter. But we have half a circle, so we'll need to divide the circumference in half. The given diameter is 10 feet. Using 3.14 for pi, we have 1/2 times 3.14 times 10. Let's get rid of that fraction first. 1/2 of 10 is 5. Now we just multiply 3.14 times 5, which gives us 15.7 feet for the arc. Now we have all the information we need to find the perimeter of this figure. Starting with the curved edge, we have 15.7 plus 6 plus 8. Combining them together gives us a total perimeter of 29.7 feet. Let's try one more. This time the figure is made from a rectangle and a semicircle. Let's find the length of the semicircle's arc first. We'll use the formula to find the circumference of a semicircle. We'll use 3.14 for pi, but we need to determine the diameter first. The radius is 4 feet, so to find the diameter, we just double the radius to get the diameter as 8 feet. Plugging these numbers into the formula, we have 1/2 times 3.14 times 8. 8 is an easy number to get rid of that fraction. 1/2 of 8 is 4. Multiplying 3.14 and 4 gives us the arc length for the semicircle as 12.56 feet. Now we add up all the outside edges. But wait, we're still missing two sides. Can you spot them? Yes, they are here and here. Very tricky and easy to miss. We'll need to use the bottom length of the rectangle to find these two missing dimensions. The length on the bottom of the rectangle is 12 feet. The diameter of the semicircle is 8 feet. So if we subtract 8 from 12, that gives us 4 feet that we need to split between these two sides. Each side is 2 feet. Now we're ready to find the perimeter. Starting with the arc at the top, we'll add 12.56 plus 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 2. Combining these together gives us the perimeter of this composite figure as 44.56 feet. You did an awesome job with perimeter. If you haven't already watched the area video, make sure to check it out next. You'll see how these two skills work together when solving problems with composite figures. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and hey, if you made it all the way to the end, drop a green circle in the comments so I know that you're part of our Math Defined crew. And until next time, keep math awesome.